Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm an illustrator and you're watching Beck Sketch. This is a short preview of what to expect from Fashion Runway Illustrated, a series on YouTube where I draw my favorite looks from a collection and talk about the brand's history. Let's get into it. Once upon a time, 100 years ago, there lived a shoemaker named Filippo delle Valle in a region of Italy called Marche. In the 1970s, Diego, the grandson, took over. To grow the business in the 80s, Diego brought in marketing strategies such as putting shoes on. If you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos every week and hit that bell icon for notifications. In the meantime, check out my channel to see what else I've got so far. Thanks for watching.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good.
Then I woke myself up, painted the scene they got my queen bee swinging to my sonnet as I lay by. It's how I want it, in a minute she wrote something that stank good, feeling haunted the way she ghosted, I'm